welcome back to the Daily Comments. In this video, we are starting like a brand new SQL tutorial series using real challenge from HackerRank. This episode will be the first episode and is perfect for you that you are just getting started with SQL database or something like that. So let's start with the first problem, okay? Here we are. In this first problem, we have like some table that they give us, the city table with some attributes. We have the ID of the city, I think, is a number. We have the name of the city, we have the country code, we have the district, and the population number of the city. And what they ask us to do, they ask us to select all the columns from all American cities in the table with population larger than 100. Okay, so the country code for America, they are telling us here that is USA. Okay, this one is simple. Let's start by creating our statement. So as I mentioned in a previous video, I remember always when we want to query some database, we have to start with select something from somewhere, and in this case we have some filters. We have the filter that the population needs to be larger than 100, okay? And the other filter is that we only want the cities inside the United States of America, okay? So we have two filters, where filter 1 and filter 2. Okay, now what they ask us to retrieve? They want us to retrieve all the columns. One way to do it is like this. Select all the columns. This asterisk means that you want all the columns from that table. Where do you want this column from? From the table city. They give us the city here. Okay, let's go here, city. We want to select all the columns from the table city, but you don't want all the records in the table city. You only need those that are in America. So the first thing you need to look for is country code America, okay, where the column country code is equal USA, because they give us here the American country code is USA, and also only those who have population greater than 100,000, okay? And population greater than 100,000, okay? Now this is our first query. If we test it, let me move myself here. If we test this one, we run the code, we will see that congratulations, you passed. But not everything yet that I want to teach you here. Why so? Because even though this is correct, this is like the perfect way to do it in this scenario where the table is like short, the best practice tells us that you never should bring all the columns from a table. In this case you should do, because they demand us to do it, but a best practice is to bring only the columns that you want to bring. This is more efficient and more readable in the future. District, population. Okay, now if we run the code again, we will see we have exactly the same result, and we can submit this, and congratulations, you passed your first challenge. See you in the next video.